Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name is Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, November 9th, 2010. And wow, I just walked back in the office here and I see the markets took a nice little dip. Check this out, Dow down 0.5%, 0.8% on the S&P, 0.7% on the NASDAQ. And the biggest drop are small caps at 1.5%. That is a huge drop. And trailing close behind is the financials. So gang, that looks to me like be expecting some downward draft tomorrow if things keep going this direction. VIX up 4.3%. Commodities as a whole rose today. However, I do see GLD dropped 1.6%. There's your gold. And then the dollar's up 0.9%. So the dollar, giving us that rally there, is hurting the markets. We're looking at the S&P daily. And on the S&P daily, we came up and hit these smaller trend lines that go way back in time. And then today we did make a higher high. We came back down. I really thought we'd rally back and start building a base. However, the markets had something else in mind. It looks like we're getting what's called a correction or a pullback. We do have a lower low. This is our second lower low last couple trading sessions, but this time we had a close that's down here. So with that close, we did close on a trend line. You can see that little blue trend line that goes way back here. It's this little bitty trend line, and you can see that swing low. Now let's keep watching this trend line. Go to that shadow, to those bodies. Do you see that? We come up, 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 up. Follow me here. And that's right where we closed. Is that by accident? No, it's by great technical analysis. And that's why it's so important to learn it. So anyway, right now the bears are in control. We do have a decisive tick on the histogram to the south. And with that, that confirms a crossover in the MACD utilizing the filter 5, 9, and 2. And with 5, 9, or 2, we could see a continuation of a pullback. The question is what will act as support? A big one that I'll be watching is 1211 for tomorrow. I can see it's going below that area, but if we come back up, perhaps we can close above. If we keep coming down, this trend line down here would definitely act as a support area. If it does not hold as a support area, then we could be in trouble. We'd be looking at below 1200, 1196, 1185, or some key areas to be looking at. So all bets are off at this moment. On the bull side, we are seeing a little pullback here, and it happened on some decent volume. We're looking at the spiders just to get an idea of volume. You can see volume, it did increase. I mean, it's only 184. So as far as we're concerned here on volume, I mean it's more than what we had yesterday, and usually Mondays tend to be bigger volume days than Tuesdays. But there we are. Now I'm rambling, so I don't want to keep you any longer. Thank you for being a part here at Grok Trade. And thank you for giving us feedback. Thumbs up, and for those at YouTube, feel free to leave comments. We love them, and we read each and every one of them. Take care, and safe trading to you.